These elements are tricky. So many abbreviations. Whoa, my tummy is a-rumbling. Wait! I forgot I had some chocolate. Tina! Put that down. But I'm just so hungry. Fine. Aw, don't worry, Tina. I have something that'll hold us over. Like gummy candy? Take fun shapes. And stick tape on the back. Peel off the backing like this. And stick it onto your hair elastic. Bet you didn't know this was candy. Now when you're feeling peckish, no problem. Wow! That's awesome! Can I? This one has my name on it. Girls? Are you eating each other's hair? What am I actually looking at? They're like animals! How things trend these days, I'll never know.
Sneaking a snack behind your teacher's back can be tricky business. What was that? Oh, nothing. I'm just taking in your brilliant lecture. Phew, that was a close one. You'd better be careful, Lily. You don't want to push your luck here. Hey, are you snacking, Missy? Huh? I told you snacking should be done at a recess, not in my class. Now fork it over, Lily. Oh man, that's all the candy I have. For this hack, take a stack of Post-it notes like this one and draw a large square on the top of the stack. Now take a blade and cut a couple of sheets deep along the lines. Once you've taken out the middle pieces, keep going until you're about halfway down the stack. And last but not least, take your favorite candy pieces and stick them inside. And don't forget to cover it back up. Now when you have a hankering for a little sugar in class, keep cool and let your Post-it notes save the day.
Another day, another class. And I could sure use an energy boost. Bring me down to Sugar Town. Just the smell is invigorating. Hey, do I smell what I think I smell? Huh? Fine, here. Just a bite, okay? Hey! You're eating the whole thing! That was really good. Yeah, no kidding. My precious chocolate bar. I gotta hide this stuff better. Away from Bella's grubby fingers. But how? I sure have a lot of pencils. And thank goodness for that. Tape your pencils in a straight line. Place the candy bar on one end. Then roll it like a burrito. That way, it's totally hidden. Finally, the chocolate is all mine! Try stealing a bite now, Bella. Hee hee. I should have thought of this sooner. Is that chocolate I smell? I don't see any. What? Nothing to see here. My nose must be confused. Or I'm getting a migraine.
We are so ready for this island thriller! Aloha! Thanks! Is that a real ukulele? Not in my theater, pal. Oh, there's nothing hiding in here? In that case… I love all kinds of music, see? Go on in, my musical friends! Man, I love this job. That weirdo totally fell for it! Sucker! Want your own discreet candy jewelry? Pour out your favorite candy. We chose Skittles. Now get some regular old thread, unravel it, and string candy through it. And it's great for hands-free grazing. You can make pretty necklaces, too. Being creative sure works up an appetite.
I'm hungry. Hey, Kevin, let me have a piece of candy from your secret stash. Nope, not today, sorry. You're so stingy. Give me that. Come to mama, my sweet sour candy. Show me how you did this. Well, it all started when I saw a giant bowl of candy. Whoa, have I died and gone to sugar heaven? Take a sour strip like this one and cut it down the middle on a slant. On the side with the flat edge, place a little hole. Once you put it aside, get a retractable blade like this one and remove the bottom. Once you do that, the blade piece should slide right out. Then you replace the blade with the sour strap you cut earlier. Once it's all the way in, secure the bottom piece back on. Now, instead of a retractable blade, it's retractable candy. Hey, you know what I'm thinking? It's battle time! Candiosis sugaritosis. Hey, what does all that gibberish mean? Ha, your magic wand is no match for my lightsaber. Oh man. But lucky for me, I've got one of those too. Wait, Kevin, are you okay? Just kidding. Booyah! Okay, guys, this fight is getting a little out of hand, don't you think? Yep, see? You even got the teacher's attention. Now cut it out. Whoopsies. All that sugar must have gone to our heads. So, what's a little more, right? Oh yeah, totally worth it.
A little color should never go unnoticed. Those look so good! And that work is top-notch. Unlike mine. Black and white are so boring. Can I snag one of those? Pretty please? Here you go. Things are looking brighter already. Think I could borrow a purple? I suppose that's fine. Why doesn't she bring her own pencils? Orange, please! Thanks! Seriously? This is getting ridiculous! Hello? Think she'd want one of these? Brilliant! Take a bendy candy straw like this. And sharpen it like a pencil. Once that's done, attach an eraser end like this. Pencil, please! If you say so. Thanks! What's wrong with this thing? I think this pencil's having an off day. Nah. It's just candy, see? Is that supposed to be funny? It's supposed to be tasty! As the French say, bon appétit! Oh, okay. I get it. Yep. Makes sense to me. Just chewing on my drawstring. No big deal. Is Jake eating food? I need a closer look. It looks like his drawstring. Wait. What's this over here? That's not a drawstring. Jake, no candy in class! Fine. Sorry. Now what? I'm still hungry. Oh, I think I'm getting an idea. Just gonna take a sip of water. Oh, this water is so delicious. I mean, refreshing. Jake? I can see you! You can't eat a candy from your tumbler either! Okay, fine. Seriously, just get back to work. He's always chewing on that pen. That gives me an idea. Alright, candy time! I'll take this cap off my highlighter. And then remove the whole ink part. Can't forget the tip. Huh, it's bigger than I thought it would be. Can't forget to clean it. Next step, candy time. Just gonna slide all the candy into the marker. It's a perfect fit. Time to put the end back on. It's good to go. Nice! A candy marker. It tastes so good! I could eat this all day. Jake! What are you eating? I'm not eating. Just chewing on this marker. Like you. Oh, I guess that's okay. Fine. Okay. I can't believe it worked!